Coming to the optional, as we all know that yours was sociology, right? Could you summarize a few of the major aspects, like how did you choose your optional? What strategy did you have? And how much of the expert help that you require and the answer writing and stuff that you had to go through?
So on the first aspect of choosing an optional, the foremost factor for me was the interest part. I was very interested in sociology. I did 1 or 2 courses during my graduation time also.
All right.
So I found that this is very interesting for me. Second, sir, I had very less time in my first attempt. So I was interested in maths also, but the time was very less.
Maths is a vast
Yeah, it would have taken more time.
mode.
So I decided to go with sociology. That is how I chose that optional. And regarding my strategy, sir, I have given 3 attempts with that optional and I gained few insights. One thing again was that there is a certain notion with the people that you need a lot of thinkers, you need a lot of case studies, examples, current examples, value addition, only then you can get a good score. But it's actually not like that. If we see the paper, it's more about answering the demand of the question. We get so bogged down by our knowledge in optional that we forget what is being asked. So this is something I was very conscious in this attempt, that no matter how much knowledge I have, I will answer what is being asked. And even if it relates to my knowledge, I will definitely use it. I will use some thinkers if I have them. But my answer should not be what I know, but what is being asked. That is something we actually remember in GS but forget in optional, because we have too much of knowledge there. So that is one strategy I used there to increase my score. Another thing important in optional, sir, is a good explanation. In GS, maybe we write a point in 2 lines, but in optional, I don't think it can work.
Yes.
If there is a question that is being asked, its analysis is very, very important.
Correct.
We have to very clearly explain what we are answering in very proper language. And even if we are writing an example, we cannot just write 1 line of example. We have to write a proper example relating it to the demand of the question
True that.
and explain it and analyze it very well. So that is something that helped in optional, sir, and regarding its answer writing. That, sir, in sociology, people run behind current affairs, but what I realized that it's not, if you are doing current affairs sufficiently in GS, there is no need of any separate current affairs for sociology.
Correct.
Because it comes mostly from static area, and wherever there is current, you can utilize your GS knowledge there. So these are the things, sir,